Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, obviously I changed the name of my channel to Coded, and this for some reasons. And in this tutorial, I will be developing a pizza ordering application. So in this tutorial, the concepts we're going to be covering is just creating a demo of a pizza ordering app, on which you can select your category, you choose the price on your preferred pizza, or what do you call it, your preferred type of pizza. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to create a new Flutter application, which all of us should be used to by now. Because I was already writing some code here, I'll create it on a new window. I can just create it on this window anyway. So in our library, we create another folder. Name is strings. Alright. Create another folder. Name it images, where we're going to be storing the images we're going to be using for the app. Or before I forget, let me delete this. Then another folder. You can name it anything you want, but me I choose to just name it. Just name it code. Right? Trying to start up my ADB. I'm in little. Okay, this was my phone I was building. So go ahead and create a file inside code. Call this file pizza. Inside pizza, create a class. Static automated. Create a list inside the class. List that will hold string. Of sizes. We'll select the different kind of sizes of string here, because it's going to take a string. Then create the index of small double quote, because it's string. Of medium, still large. Okay. Shouting at us because it's supposed to be caps. So do string size. Let's get all the elements there. That's in the 0. Alright. Let's use map string. Takes 2 parameters, which is string and bool. Let's name it toppings. String. Sorry, this map is supposed to be caps. Okay. Create a method pizza here. Which will take all the toppings. Now we are going to check if particular flavor or type of pizza is available in the list. But if it is not available, we use a function we call put if absent. Put if absent. Then sorry, mind the A sharp, not me. Put if absent here. Then we'll have pizza. My pizza have pepperoni. Yeah. If pepperoni is not there, which is if false, we'll just copy the same method. I'll have different flavors of pizza, so have to put it for each one of them. I'm not sure how many, but we'll have sausage, we'll have cheese, we'll have pineapple, we'll have sardine, we'll have mushrooms, we'll have onions, I'm not sure I would like the onions flavor. Then we'll have peppers. So guys, I went ahead and added the remaining categories. We have sprinkles, chocolate, banana, and olives. So now we focus on our review. So we import a normal, Flutter package material. Again, we import package pizza. Now we create a stateless widget. Alright, commit review. Then here we'll create class pizza. It's a private method, pizza order, right? Pizza order list text string. Let's assign it to this, trying to create a constructor. Okay, review, order map to null. Inside the curly bracket we have our pizza order. We'll assign it to order our list. We want to add pizza order to our list because it will just help us to review the whole order. This thing will just show us the size. So we'll print size out on the screen as size to show as a string. And want to call this pizza order. Notice how when we method that already created, once we just call it, we just show, and it shows us our size, right? Might go for this one. Okay, all of them will be inside here. Right. So say list.add to be empty. This will be empty. Now just put our toppings there. Enter empty. Close it. Say pizza order the toppings. Now what to use for each here, so that for each name and for each name of the pizza there, and that's why it's showing key and value, we'll have string name as the key, and value that is bool, string name here. always forget. Okay. Okay. So we're here to go. So use an if statement if to check whether it's the value exists in the list that we're talking about. For value list, right? If it's not there, we'll add the name. We'll go back instead of container, we'll return scaffold here. Let's return a normal upper. Upper will have normal upper. Take parameters such as title. We'll name it Pizza World. Why do I keep committing this errors? Pizza review. Then we'll create a body. Body will now take container. Right. Body will be here. So inside the body we'll have a child will take column, right? I'll wrap it with a padding. .32 just because I like 32.0. So inside the child we have children widget, have new text. Yeah, if you like adding new, I want to write this review your orders or your order. I mean, doesn't really matter. So let's style the text. Style it. So text style. Text style, we want to give font weight. We want to have it bold. Font weight. Say font weight dot bold. Right. We want to have. I think that's basically it. It's okay. Let's press Shift Control Alt L to format our code. Now, expanded. Then expanded, we have a child. I want to use list view. So we have list view dot builder. And in this list view, we'll have a child. So come here. With no space, we'll have a child. No, the child can be here. I'll have shrink wrap. Set it to true because it's a boolean. True. It's only in Python, but it's case sensitive. So this is that. So we'll have item count. Or list length. List of length. Yeah. So calculate the length of the list in this section. So item builder. We'll have we need to take build context, build context, index. Okay. Can either use an arrow function or use this. So, on the brackets. So return text. Right? Let's see list element add. So we want to check the element at the index. Correct. So what I told you that programming is very sweet. So we'll end it here. Right. Okay. Yeah. So we are done with this. Let's for Jan, we're done with our review. Let's go on rate our order. Close this out. So we'll go ahead and create our home page. Import photo material dot. Okay. Then we'll have to go ahead and import all the pages. Package. Photo app. Mix of screens. Right. So home to that. Import. Why am I importing this here is because we're actually going to use this to like route as move around the screen. We'll have order. Import the review page. Okay. So now we create a stateless widget. Actually, I have to create a void this method which shows where the actual program starts running. Okay, so I'll say my app. Yeah, cool. Without my app, you can see that the error is gone. So now we done material app. Material app. On the title, which is navigation. We have to create routes. Routes will enable us, like, just move from home page to the other pages. String widget build widget builder. So create, open it up, and curly brackets. They have home. Alright. Create a build context. Still have context here. Use the arrow function to direct us to the home page. The first one is always the home page, right? Same thing for the others. Just copy this. And we now have order. And copy the whole of this. Don't worry about the error. We'll fix that up in a minute. Review. Fix correct. Okay, I know why order is not showing because we have not actually created the class. Once we create it, everything will be good. Alright, so let's go ahead and my errors. This page is actually supposed to be the main page, not that page. So we can be able to color these other pages. So let's create our home. Right? You have to pay attention to what you're doing, not you miss it. Home. Notice once I create home here, let's go back to the main page. You can see that the error is gone. Okay. So remove, return scaffold. Scaffold, right? It's supposed to be like that. I don't know why I keep committing these errors. Types. So this takes a bar. I'll take title, text, of pizza, planets. what a hilarious name, Pizza Planet. Anyway, let's go. There's body, takes takes center. We want to center our contents. That's the picture and everything. So the center have a child. Child has a container. Alright. So inside the container we have our padding. We have edge. As we're using edge insert, so on. Then I put my favorite number. If it doesn't work for you, you have to tweak it until it works, right? So child again. Child contains a child. Okay. Using colon, right? Colon inside the child have children rendered. So now we go over to the internet because we need an image. And an image of pizza images, right? download it. Let me select one that looks enticing. This, I don't know why I'm choosing this, but okay. This looks good. No, let me use this. Okay. Okay. Download it. Pizza. Comes as JPEG. So, I mean, if it comes as a PNG, it's still the same method. So I'll go to where we downloaded it. Go to the download folder. Where is it? Documents. Okay. Let me open it from the browser. Shopping file location. Now it's always hiding here. I drag it and put it in images, right? So you have to be sure of the name. Pizza.jpg. First I'm going to use it in prospect.yaml. You come here, select all, control, then hash, remove. Oh, you have to be careful with your indentation here. Right? So you see pizza dot jpg. Run it to be sure that everything works fine. Okay. Now you see our indentation. I don't have to do it again. Make sure that's properly indented. Don't worry, this is not a killer error. It's something that we can fix. So this is what I usually do. Okay. Set pizza. Right. Oh, don't worry. Fix it. Hmm. Okay. Let's go back like this. Right. Try again. Okay. This is no problem at all because I know it's something we can fix. So we'll go ahead and remove this. We'll go ahead and remove this. You have to be accurate with the indentation, if not it's gonna cry out for you. Okay. Prospect.yaml. Okay, it works fine now. So sometimes indentation can be a headache, but we're able to fix that. So we go back to our screens and create images, image dot asset. Onto images, right? Pixel dot p, no, not png, jpg, right? Jpg. Yeah. So I want to have a raised button, so there's no way. I want to have a child inside the raised button. Child will take text that will ensure interactivity. So this is order. You can see order now, right? Let's put order now. Okay, Control Shift Alt L to format our code. So we still have a problem here. Let's just create a class. Before we start writing the logic, I want to test out our app to see how it is. For now, I have to remove the error here. Order, good. So we'll run the app, see how it looks. It's gonna take a while. I'll have to be patient. Okay. Pizza.jpg. Is inside images. I mind the letter. Now let's see the output, because everything is supposed to be correct. Generator routes. For which one? Okay, to change this to so let's stop and run. Please run again. Let's just rerun because no variants found images. This is images, right? It's inside the lib folder. So we had a little error which was I placed this images file inside the library folder, which is totally wrong. So I had to sit down and analyze the problem. Then I had to move it out of this library folder and create it in the root project folder. That is why it is here and it is now saying it. If you noticed, we had the error, no provision for the assets for asset images, but now it's gone. And the app looks like this. Looks like this. So that this button is not activated. So let's try to make it activated. We'll say compressed. Compressed. Nice. Remember, you can use this or use your arrow function. Say navigator. Navigator. All caps. Sorry. Navigator. That's use note of context. Context of context. Right. Okay. Let's use push named. Push request because we want to go to the other page. I want to go to orders. Is it orders or order? Just order. So close this. Hot reload. Check the app is now active. So when we click on this, it's empty because we have not created anything on our order page. So let me scaffold, right? For order page, scaffold, of upper. That's true. So let's see. Click on our order. So let's see. Now let's remove this. Okay. So our order also has as body, right? Body, select the body, structure, content, like the body. Use my favorite number, that is 2.0. And about child again, of color, import, also import packages, also import the review page. Very good. So import business page. Just encode the business. Yeah. So go. So what we want to create here is like page that allows you to like order your pizza. Alright. So after seeing it on the home page, and you click order now, you can see the categories. Oh,
in Nigeria, Georgia.
okay. So have it like this. Firstly, this is not a stateless widget, this is a stateful widget. Yeah, so that makes everything easy for us. So in the column, we'll create a new drop down. Drop down has a column. Items. So we'll create inside the column we'll create children widget. So we choose a drop down. Yeah, as a new drop down item. Sorry, drop down item. It's capital L. Drop down item. Drop down item. And we have Sorry. Okay, so have value. Right, the value would be value value so you come to the top and you create void statement immediately after our override state of void, right? Void set size the size will take a string and value. Yeah, so inside the set size we'll create our set state state method. I'll have pizza order dot size, right? The size will be equal to value. Yeah, correct. So this is no problem. Yeah, so this will be value. You can see that the error will go soon. Okay, so what is our problem here? Value we'll create child here. Yes, take error. We're not ignoring the error, we'll go back to the error. But just create the icon. Say children. Yeah, this children will take icon. Say icons dot local pizza. Yeah, so undefined name value is value oh, what is going on here? Say drop down. Let's use button, so menu item. Yeah. Oh. Okay, value for this supposed to be pizza order. So tell us the size. Yeah. So after this we have again items. Yeah. See pizza does sizes, which shows us the sizes of the pizza, right? Dot map. This map takes we'll just put the string value. Yeah, map is supposed to not have an error. Okay. Okay. This here. So now the child widget. How about or return something here? Return. Drop down menu item. Yeah. Which will have a value. Value is equals to value, so that we don't have that error anymore. Yes. Have a child that possesses row. Yeah. Inside the child have children. Yes. Children takes icon. Yeah. Then go icons dot. I want to use the icon called local pizza. So icons dot local pizza. So I have to terminate this here. Okay. Then our program is correct and looks very good. But I want to add texture. Alright. Say size. Right. I want to show the value here. Alright. Value. Great. So let's kill the app and run again. Observe this. I think we should have an error here, but it just requires little fix. Let it load and let's see. It just take a few minutes to load. Okay, supposed to have an error when I click this. Yeah, so let's fix the error. It says mapping list iterable string dropdown is not a subtype of list dropdown string. If I come here and add string, let's see whether that solves the problem. Yeah, let's test. Oh, that does not solve the problem. Errors are good, they make us strong programmers. So we'll have to find a solution to this. So we have to export this to string, to list. Yeah, to list. Let's rerun. Sorry. Okay, you can see our drop down is already here. We'll click, we'll have it like this. So, but it is supposed to show like values, whether small, big. So I'm not sure why it's not showing our pizza icon, but let's see. Let's rerun and see. Okay, still not showing. I think let's try something here. Let's try. Okay, there is this particular function that we didn't let's see. Unchanged. Say string value so it's called the set size method. Set size value. Okay, let's run again. Okay, we have our home page, but there is a little thing we have to fix there. So put this so, and on to list. Let's see if this works. Okay, great. So this shows us the different sizes of pizza we have. Yes, so we have the small size, have the medium size, and we have the large size of pizza. But if you select this, it will just like display the pizza without I'll display the size of the pizza there for you. So we go continue. Study unchanged. Add expanded. Have a child. Take no for now. And use the raised button. Press the button. I'll tell you to continue. Button have a child. Text. So let's use list tab view here. Shrink wrap here. Set it to true. We want to determine the length of our like item count here. Item count is pizza order dot length, right? Dot toppings dot length. So this shows like the length of our pizza order then builder. Build context here. Build context. Right. So have int index. Int and index. We'll return checkbox here. I want to display checkbox. checkbox list style. Then inside this will have value, right? Value which will be null for now. Oh, it unchanged. Not for now. So there is something we want to control in this stuff, which is called we use control affinity here. Control affinity. Say list style control affinity, and we use leading there. List style there. Caps list style control affinity dot leading. Yeah. So the title now. I'm sorry. Take text or it's not the normal text. Put the value pizza dot toppings use key here because we want to determine the element. Here's the element add. Yeah, great. So okay, so of case we use values, sorry. Okay. Toppings dot values dot element add. Okay, this is really crying now. Text. These are the toppings. No values, because we want to check the values there, not the key. The element add. Oh. Okay, that's not a problem. Let's just type it out again. Title text Next, pizza order dot toppings dot. So the no is not supposed to be case. So we'll use okay keys dot element add. Okay, cool. So the same thing gets for values. I'll just put in the values where it's not supposed to be. Okay, dot toppings dot. So here we use values instead of keys dot element add. There's not supposed to be an error here. So let's check what went wrong. Actually, okay, this does not actually take a text. This goes straight to the point. Okay, good. So let's hot reload and see the checkbox that we created. Oh, beautiful. So you can see the checkbox showing you like the different categories or different types of pizzas you have. So we'll now make it clickable. So in order to make it clickable, we'll have to set state there, and so we'll go at the very top, just immediately after our void set size, and create another void set toppings. So take int index, right, table value. So we then need to set state, and we'll have the key, this with level strings. So say pizza order dot toppings dot keys, right? Element great. Oh, say pizza order dot toppings, right? That's the key. To equal, we'll set it, we initialize it to this value. Let's close out. Let me fix this. Okay, this is the error. There's the error. Oh. I'm not sure why it's showing me this error, but try to fix it. Try to fix the error. Let me think of something. Set toppings index int index pool values return set state. Okay, I know the problem. So we go void set toppings hint set state. Let's do it string. Okay, have pizza order dot toppings dot set element. We'll have keys first. Determine the element and the index. This out. Well, there's order. Toppings. Yeah. Want to use keys here. Okay, great. I've been able to solve the problem. Okay, not done yet. Come to unchanged. Just unchanged and color well. want to set toppings here. I'm not sure why I always write this stuff together. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to solve the problem. So I'll have this here. Great. So let's run on. Okay, you can see that the checkbox is already imported. You can go and order all the pizzas around there. No problem. Nobody's killing you. Because pizza. So you can select maybe small, you mark 1 or 2, and even unmark. As the method was set. So when we click, we'll go and complete our app so that customer can go and use it to order pizza. So say when the customer click, we want him to, we use dot push, right? I'm using material page route here. Okay. Material page route. We have builder here. The builder, which normally takes the parameters, builder context. We want the person to go to page review. Yeah. So at least you can be able to review the page that you got. Oh my goodness, I just committed an error. So, no qualms. So the button is active. Oh, we are not done. Original review. Where is it? Review. Want to review our pizza order. So we have written pizza order, but just have to write it like this. That's the way to work. So we'll click again. Yeah. So we're able to review all the pizzas we ordered. And if I remove this, select too little, continue, you can see a little small pieces, right? Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to do a little styling just for rounding of purposes, or background color. No. Or I want to add background color. I want to change this color. So I have colors dot accent amber. Right. For our home page, yeah, it looks overly good like this for me. I don't know about you. So debug. Okay. Epoch check panel. So if we click on our page now, you can see that the whole app is done and ready. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This pizza ordering app was just the first app we're doing on our channel. Before we were doing one page app, but today decided to go extra mile and do a lot more. Thank you for your patience. I know the video was very long, but thank you for the patience, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for more. Thank you.